Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to a fantastic episode of Life Made Easy. As always, I am here, Scott. I will be your host when discussing this Ibuypower Elite Gaming PC. If you guys go on to enjoy this video. Wow, I'm already stumbling right at the beginning. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you guys know exactly when I post videos. I'm trying my best to get out videos to you guys, so if I miss a day or something like that, don't kill me. I'm doing my best with my current situation. So, guys, Ibuypower Elite Gaming PC. I did a video on another model, lower tier model that was, I believe, $999. Yeah. I forget the specs on that one. It was like a 1660 or 1660 Ti. It's over here. Yeah, this one right here. That one had an i7 and it was 8 gigahertz. Okay, so 1660 Ti. That was honestly one of my favorite PCs that I've done an overview on. Well, I should do gaming monitors too. Comment down below if you want to see a gaming monitor overview on Amazon. So Ibuypower has a million models here, but I'm looking at this specific one in this episode. Also, their keyboards change drastically when you switch models. I don't know if you guys know that, but in the whole aesthetic, the casing changes a lot, but a lot of RGBs, which is sick. This one I like a little more than the other ones just because it's a little more clean, less crazy with the RGBs. It looks like only like the fan is RGB, which is just fine. I like that. Here's a picture of all the internals: motherboard, fans, graphics card, memory, CPU. I don't even know if you can see the CPU. Probably not, because being cooled by that fan right there. Here's the outside of the case. You can clean. Here's the back. Here's your display output, HDMI's, power. Oh God, what? I swear those that blue and green plug there is like for older PC accessories, which no longer exist in my time. USB 3.0s. It looks like another HDMI for some reason. More USBs, Ethernet. And then the what is that blue input there? There's like a diagram. I don't know what that is, but the audio and the mic and the headphone output jack, 3.5 jack. So this one's rocking $1,350. So pretty cheap, if I do say so myself. That was a joke. Now this is not cheap at all. This is one of their most expensive models. But I'm guessing if you go on their website, it's even better. Pay even more money, get that cash money and invest it all into a computer. But no, computers are a long-term investment, so I don't have too much issue with spending a little more money. PCs last you for a long time, especially if they're spec'd out pretty like towards the more powerful, efficient side of things. So we're rocking AMD Ryzen 7. That's, as I said, I am not an AMD expert. I've only seen a couple videos on it. I'm more familiar with Intel processors, 3700X. So that's like the equivalent of the i7, basically. Do I sound like a complete novice in this video? Kind of. 3.6 gigahertz. That's crazy. That's up there in clock speed. RTX 2070. That's the most powerful graphics card I've looked at so far in a gaming PC. That Razer laptop doesn't count. I don't even know what was in there. Was that 2060? I can't remember. But 8 gigabytes of video RAM. Like, if you're sitting here complaining about a 2070 in this at this price point, like, there's something wrong with you. For this price, getting a 2070, that's pretty insane. 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. Would have liked to seen a little more than that, to be honest. I know you guys hear me complain about the RAM size in every single video, but you're paying like $1,300. Give me 32 gigs, but 16 is fine. Like, if you're complaining about that, just upgrade it yourself. A terabyte SSD. See, that's amazing. That's great. I know SSDs cost a lot. I would have liked to see, if I'm paying this much, I would have liked to see maybe like another storage option, maybe a little larger SSD. Maybe give me a 500 gig hard drive or something. But that stuff you can install anyway, because Ibuypower makes it pretty easy to upgrade. I see most reviewers saying that, so you're fine. Want to buy an external hard drive, go for it. But as you guys know, I'm a huge advocate for hard drives and SSDs. I love all types of storage. Don't hate. Yeah. Okay, so I basically already listed all the ins and outs, all the output. No bloatware, thank God. That's great. The gaming mouse is right here, and the gaming keyboard is there. Pretty trash. Go buy your own. But this is a good starter set. Looks like it has RGBs, which is nice. I mean, I don't know how many different variations of lighting they have, but yeah. 1 year parts and labor plus free lifetime US tech support. They say that in all of these. DDR4. Okay, yeah, I know it's DDR4 RAM. 16 color RGB lighting case. Cool. 802.11 C Wi-Fi. Great. If we scroll down, here's a comparison to the other ones. If you guys want to take a look, you can. I'm not going to spend too much time on that. Dedicated graphics, 8 gigabytes of video RAM. That's solid. That's more than the traditional 6 that you get. Number of USB ports, so 6 in total. 100. Oh, 130, that's a small number. I'm like, what am I saying here? Dimensions, I don't really care. 20.3 pounds. Isn't that kind of light? That gaming PCs were like 30 pounds. AMD, obviously. Man, they just never list the that spec sheet was kind of small. No other details on that? No? Anything else? No, just reviews? Okay. Okay, I see you. I see you. It says 4.2 out of 5, but that diagram does not look like 4.2 out of 5. I'm just saying. But it's got an overwhelming amount of 5-star ratings, so the majority of people are liking this. Probability of you being disappointed, pretty slim. I mean, like, there's no 2-star ratings, which is kind of weird. No one selects 2-star ratings. I don't know if you guys realize that. Maybe it's a psychological thing. So this is the one I reviewed last time. That was my favorite. Probably still is my favorite. I don't really have many issues with this computer, just that I think you could take $200 off the price tag and I'd be a little happier. My utility would be a little higher. If anyone's taking an econ course out there, you know that life is about making decisions. Everything has costs and benefits, and the whole point of your life is to maximize your utility or pleasure and stuff like that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell. All the good stuff. Go check out College Made Easy podcast, linked in the description if you guys are interested in that. Definitely check it out if you're an upcoming student, college student, looking at colleges, or if you just want help as a student in general. We provide amazing tips for you guys over there. So link in the description. Go check it out. Subscribe to the College Made Easy podcast YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.